Hey there, water lovers! We're here to help make a splash with the latest and greatest destinations, and today we're diving into Toronto's coolest escapes. We are listing the top 5 public swimming pools that will make your summer sizzle. So grab your towel and sunscreen because we're about to head on a watery adventure. Our first stop is Regent Park Aquatic Center. Located in the heart of downtown, this modern marvel is perfect for families and fitness fanatics. It's not your average swimming pool. It's got everything you need for a great time in the water. Picture this, a 25-meter pool with 6 lanes for serious swimmers, a leisure pool for relaxing, a kiddie pool for the little ones, and even a hot tub, slide, Tarzan rope, and diving board for some extra fun. But here's what sets it apart. They've really focused on making it feel connected to nature and welcoming to everyone. Instead of separate changing rooms, they've got universal ones with private cubicles so everyone feels comfortable. It's made a real difference in the community, especially with so many new residents moving in. It's safe, inviting, and just plain awesome. This perfect spot for a day of swimming and fun. Next up, we're heading to the Duff outdoor pool, tucked away in Christie Pitts Park. This pool offers refreshing escape from the city heat, surrounded by lush greenery and lots of space to soak up the sun. It's got everything you need for a great day of swimming. A 25-meter lap pool, shallow splash pool for the kids, conversation pool, deep pool with 1-meter springboard, and a thrilling 2-story water slide. Fun for all ages. Making a splash at number 3 is the Donald D. Sommerville Olympic Pools, located along the Toronto waterfront. With not 1, but 2 Olympic-sized pools, this facility is perfect for serious swimmers and casual splashes. The complex sits right on the beach within Woodbine Park and offers a 50-meter Olympic-sized pool, a 25-meter training pool, and a dedicated pool equipped with 5- and 10-meter diving platforms. The pools were closed in 2023 as the pools underwent a complete refurbishment. But this summer, the city is set to reopen just in time for the summer heat.
Next up is Sunnyside Ryder Outdoor Pool, a beloved Toronto landmark. Situated right by the beach, this pool offers a charming Art Deco ambiance and panoramic views of the lake. You might be surprised by the rich history behind this area. Back in 1925, this pool was the go-to spot for summer fun in the city. It was so popular that it even had a dedicated streetcar to shuttle people from all corners of the city to enjoy a refreshing dip on those sweltering summer days. Last, but certainly not least, we have the High Park Outdoor Pool, nestled within the scenic beauty of High Park. Here you'll find a spacious pool offering various amenities for visitors of all ages. This expansive pool features a separate area for lap swimming, a thrilling water slide, and convenient ramp for easy access. There's also a wading pool and splash pad, ensuring plenty of aquatic fun for everyone to enjoy. So there you have it, 5 public swimming pools in Toronto that you've got to check out. These pools promise a great summer experience, so grab your swimsuit, lather on some sunscreen, and get ready to make a splash at Toronto's best swim spots. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, stay tuned for more exciting adventures next month. We'll be grabbing our camping gear and giving you 3 great spots for camping in the GTA. See you in the next video. Happy house hunting!